In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversations in Google Gemini. Sometimes it's important to declutter our digital environments, and knowing how to remove unwanted conversations can tidy things up quite nicely. Whether you're looking to clean up your interface or simply get rid of conversations that have served their purpose, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open Google Gemini. It might sound obvious, but as with many digital applications, accessing the right platform is the first hurdle. So fire up your preferred browser and log into your account if needed. Make sure you're familiar with the layout before we proceed, as this will make the next steps a lot more intuitive. Once you're on Google Gemini, locate the conversation you wish to remove. This could be a chat that has outlived its usefulness, or perhaps one that you simply don't want lingering around anymore. When you've found it, next, you'll need to hover over the conversation. This step is crucial because hovering over the conversation activates the options you'll need to proceed. So rest your cursor gently over the conversation, but don't click it yet. You'll notice that as you hover, a subtle change may occur, often highlighting different options for additional interaction. Now that you've hovered, you will see 3 vertical dots appear, typically alongside or near the conversation. These 3 dots are known as the More Options button and are often used in many digital platforms to access additional settings. Clicking on them will reveal a drop-down menu, so go ahead, click on those dots when they appear. When the drop-down menu opens, you'll be seeing a list of possible actions you can take. In this list, search for the option that says Delete. It's usually presented clearly as deleting functionalities are significant, but be sure to read through the options carefully to ensure you select the correct one. Once you've found it, click on Delete. Don't worry, the system will usually prompt you to confirm this action, which is handy if you make a mistake or change your mind at the last minute. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient way to remove unwanted conversations from Google Gemini. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your experience remains organized and distraction-free. It's always a plus to keep things orderly in your digital spaces, and mastering actions like deleting unnecessary conversations empowers you to maintain control over your personal and professional digital presence. Keep practicing these steps, and in no time, managing your Google Gemini conversations will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.